Let's create a mobile storage cart for your Cricut. This is ideal for a classroom or a school setting, and it can be moved between rooms, and it has everything you need to create. You can also make one of these for your home. Let me show you how to put this together. This is a 12-drawer cart from Michaels. The maker fits perfectly on top, and the drawers are deep enough to fit full rolls of material. You can put anything you want in these drawers, but it's helpful to label them so you know what's in it. Let's go to Design Space and start by creating some really basic labels. I'm labeling 10 of these drawers with the most common used materials. You can really get creative here and label them and put whatever you want in the drawers. The font I'm using is called Babette. There's a couple things you need to do with this font. I want the letters to be touching so that when I cut, it looks like a nice script font. You can go up on top and change the letter spacing to move them closer together, or you can ungroup all the letters and move each individual letter over until they're all touching. Once everything is touching, select the entire word and go down on the right and under Combine, click Weld. This is going to hold everything together and make your word cut as one piece. Once we've got all the words ready to go, I'm going to click Make It, and I'm going to cut this out of white smart vinyl. Now we're going to weed out all these words, nice and gentle, making sure that all the pieces stay on the backing. Then I'm going to cut apart each word so I have individual pieces. Cricut transfer tape can be used over and over again. That's why I really like this particular material. Some of the less expensive transfer tapes, you can really only use them once. So I'm going to cut a piece that'll fit each one of my words, and I'm going to stick that to the first word, and then we'll start applying these to the drawers. Anytime you are applying vinyl to a surface, it's really important to prep that surface. Make sure it is clean, there's no residue left on it. I like to do this with either rubbing alcohol or just an alcohol wipe like this. Wipe it down, let it dry, and then transfer your vinyl labels over to the drawers. I took some time to really think about how I wanted this organized. The big drawers on the bottom I'm going to use for cords, so the power cord that comes with the maker, and blanks, t-shirts, coasters, whatever we're going to use down in that bottom drawer. The two top drawers I'm going to put my most used tools and then some accessories. The next couple drawers are going to contain different types of vinyl, paper, and iron-on. I also have a place for scraps because you always want to save your scraps. Then I'm leaving a couple of drawers open. This is going in a classroom, and after it's used a little bit, I think it'll become clear what it's going to be used for most, and then we can fill up those extra drawers. These drawers are nice and deep, so they do hold these full rolls of material, but they don't hold 12 by 12 sheets. So the cardstock has to be the 8.5 by 11. These drawers also won't hold the cutting mats. So over on the side, I'm using a command hook that has a movable metal hook to the top. I'm just sticking it to the top of the cart, and then the mats can hang down over the side. This keeps them accessible and still part of the cart. This Cricut Storage Cart has everything you need to create. It is ideal for a classroom setting. You can move it around and craft when you need it. It's also great for a home. You don't need to have a craft room. You can just move this where you want to go. A couple of tips: it is really helpful to take the Cricut off the cart and put it on a really sturdy surface when you're cutting. If you are cutting on top of here, the cart can move a little and you run the risk of your cut not coming out perfectly. I hope this video inspired you to create your own Cricut storage cart. If you're looking for specific items I used in this video, you can check out the links down in the description. If you found this helpful, if you like simple Cricut tutorials, consider subscribing. I have new videos every week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.